Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wangui here. If you're new to my channel, I create videos about cooking, cleaning and organization. Today's video is a breakfast spread. Today is Sunday morning, early in the morning. I couldn't sleep, so I woke up to cook. How? Anyway, today we're doing a breakfast spread, so I'm gonna show you a fancy kind of simple breakfast that you can make for your loved ones on Sunday. So this breakfast will feature pancakes. It will also feature sausages, some spiced tea, nice done eggs. Like you will see, I have so much to share. A fruit spread. Anyway, yeah, so that is what we are doing today. I'm going to prepare the breakfast, set it up, and then I will show you everything and I will take you through the process. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It's absolutely free and you get to support my channel. You will also help me grow and reach more people to increase the numbers, definitely. So if you haven't done that, please do. Also turn on the notification bell next to the subscribe button, so next time I upload a video, you're the first to know. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel reach more people and it also helps me engage with you guys, so do that as well. Also share this with your friends, and yeah, let's grow this channel. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to making breakfast. So I'm going to start with pancakes because they are the ones that will take me the longest time to prepare. And I have a fluffy pancake recipe up on my channel, so you can go check it out. I will link it up here and also in the description box. So if you want to see a detailed recipe of that, you're gonna check out that. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with the pancakes. They're gonna take me the longest time, but yeah, they're simple to do and you can follow through. Yeah, so let's go.
Dream. the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So guys, I am done cooking, but I still have to plate everything. So what I want to do is to clear the sink. It's in a mess. That is the disadvantage of throwing down on a Sunday morning. There's a lot of dishes to do, but I want to do that before I sit and eat, because after eating I'll probably not want to wash anything. So I want to wash, and then I'll cut up the fruits. I'll come back and show you guys how I'm going to place it so that it looks nice and decent and fancy. Yeah, so on to washing the dishes. See you in a minute or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 10.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
So guys, that is all I had for you today. Those are easy and quick recipes for your breakfast or Sunday brunch. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share this with your friends, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.
I got enough of every